Most people think discipline is a superpower you are born with, but you are actually killing your progress by relying on willpower alone. If you have ever set a big New Year resolution only to quit by mid-January, you are not lazy. You just have a bad system. In this video, I am going to show you how to build a discipline system that works even when you feel like doing absolutely nothing. We have all been there, staring at a gym bag or a pile of work while our brain screams for us to stay on the couch. The big secret is that the most disciplined people in the world do not actually have more self-control than you do. They just have better habits that make the right choices feel like the easiest choices to make in the moment. Think about your phone for a second. If it is sitting right next to your hand while you work, you are going to check it. A study from Cornell University showed that people who kept snacks on their kitchen counters weighed significantly more than those who kept them in the cabinets. Discipline is not about fighting temptation every single hour. It is about removing the temptation before it even starts to bother you. You need to stop trying to climb the whole mountain on day one because that is a fast way to get burnt out. Have you heard of the 2-minute rule? It says that any new habit should take less than 2 minutes to start doing. If you want to read more, just read 1 page before bed. If you want to run, just put on your shoes and walk outside. These tiny wins trick your brain into thinking the task is easy, which stops that heavy feeling of resistance in your chest. The biggest trap is thinking you need to be perfect every single day to finally call yourself a disciplined person. Most people miss 1 day of their new habit and then decide to throw the whole plan in the trash forever. Imagine you are driving and you get 1 flat tire. You would not get out and slash the other 3 tires, right? Yet, that is exactly what we do when we miss 1 workout and decide to eat junk food for the rest of the week. Discipline is really just about getting back on track as fast as possible. The rule is simple: never miss twice. If you miss your habit on Monday, then Tuesday becomes the most important day of your entire life. According to researchers at University College London, it takes about 66 days on average to make a new behavior automatic. During those 2 months, your brain is literally physically changing to make the new task require less and less mental energy. There is also a massive difference between saying I am trying to quit sugar and saying I do not eat sugar. When you change how you talk about yourself, your discipline follows because you are just acting like the person you want to be. Start with 1 small habit today, fix your room so you cannot fail, and remember that being 1% better every day adds up.